How to refund skins and emotes in Fortnite. So first, just simply click on your profile icon here at the top right and click on settings. Once you've clicked on settings, click on this icon here at the top, which will bring you to the account and privacy. Then click on return or cancel purchase. And here at the side, you will see all of the eligible items for refund or cancel purchase. So as you can see right here, only item shop purchases made with V-Bucks within the last 30 days are eligible for a refund by using a return ticket. Purchases can be cancelled and refunded without the return ticket if you have not yet equipped or used your purchase during gameplay. So if you already use that particular skin or emote during play or while playing a game, you cannot cancel or return it. But for me, I haven't used this, so I can now cancel the purchase right here by holding it just like that. And as you can see, it is now processing, and you just need to wait for some time until it is done. So as you can see right here, the purchase was canceled and I only have the 200 V-Bucks again. And now just simply click on OK. And if you still have any eligible items for cancellation, you could simply cancel purchase right here also. But if your item is not here, it means that that particular item is not eligible for a refund. And that's basically it.